How you going, guys? It's just Kurt here, founder of Nomad Moto. I am going to install our tank bag onto a Norden 901. We have our tank bag, has the base attached to it. We have this one goes around the frame at the front, and these are our two side straps. I've got one of my side straps here, and we have our eyelet. We'll just come around the frame. Don't squash any cables. This has already got something on there, so I'll just have to come around that. Come above what's already there. That's for something else. They'll just sit up underneath the noggin there on your frame, and that'll come up there nicely. We'll go and do the other side. We'll just do the same thing. We've got our hole on the bottom there. We'll come around the frame. We will come in front of any wires. Again, you'll just come up under the noggin on the frame. We'll go up there, and we've got the other one over this side. That comes up there. Now we'll just do the one at the top. What you do is you take your elastic off so you can feed it around. So you slide that through, then we've got our elastic there. Doesn't matter which one you do. Come right underneath, and then back up through here. Put your elastic over this male clip. That's the strap saver. We can drop that, nothing's gonna happen. All right, so we've done all that. We've connected our points. Let's put the tank bag on. We'll clip it in. 1, 2. We'll get our side ones. 3, 4. And then we position it where we want it to go. I'll probably just go about there, just so it's sort of touching the fuel cap. I don't think that's a standard fuel cap on here, but it shouldn't make any difference. And then we lock it in. There you go, look at that, beautiful. It's a great fit, drove a tank bag. All right guys, beauty. I'll see you on the next one.